Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to try wrapping a part of my car. This particular trim right here is kind of faded and a bit scratched after years of being out in the sun, and you could see it as I zoom in closer like here. So I went ahead and bought this carbon fiber 7D wrap from eBay, and I'll be applying it on the panel. First, gonna take some measurements. I ended up going and cutting 18 long and about 8 inches wide. So here's what that cut piece looks like next to this panel, and I'm going to flatten it just by putting it under a stack of books and leave it sitting until it's flat. Then I come back, use a hairdryer and heat up this whole panel right here. Try to get it as evenly as possible. Then I peeled the backing and laid down this wrap. Tried to get it as flat as possible. So first I'm flattening it with my hand, but I'm going to come back and hit it with a putty knife and a towel at the end of it to try to get as much of the air bubbles out as possibly can. And then try creasing it over the edges as well. Next I use a hairdryer to try to get it over the edges and really sticking to this panel as much as possible. So hit it with the hairdryer, but also hit it with the putty knife / towel combination as well to keep flattening it, keep getting the air bubbles out, and make sure it just conforms to the shape you're trying to adhere it to. Alright, here goes one more round of flattening it with my hand after hitting it with the putty knife / towel combination, the hairdryer a couple of times. I think we're good to cut it a bit more on the edges. I use this regular blade to cut it along the edges, of course leaving some slack just because I'm going to hit it with the hairdryer once more and then I know I'll have to cut it again to clean it up. And after flattening it multiple times, hitting it with the hairdryer multiple times and flattening it once again, here's the final product. So I'm pretty happy with it. I think I could do better, but I'll probably come back and hit it a bit later. Yeah, just wanted to show you this is the final product. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.